channel for to know animals. Penguin Adelie. Adelie's penguin is a small bird that lives in Antarctica on ice sea and shores. These penguins have a black back and a white abdomen. On the mountain, they have white circles around their eyes and an orange beak with a black tip. Adelie's penguins feed on krill and fish, which are caught diving into icy water. Crested penguin. The crested penguin is a funny black and white bird that lives on islands off the coast of South America. These penguins have a black back and a white fluffy tummy, and most importantly, the bright yellow feathers on the head, similar to a cheerful crest or hairstyle. Papuan penguin. The Papuan penguin is a small tropical bird with membranes between its fingers. It lives on the islands and the coast of New Guinea. The Papuan penguin has a black back, white belly, and gray cheeks. On the head there are long golden feathers that look like hair. Royal penguin. The royal penguin is a very large bird of Antarctica, almost as tall as you are. He has a bigger black torso and a head with yellow spots on the sides, and the tummy is white, as if in a snow-white apron. These funny black and white birds can dive very deep behind the fish. Royal penguins are the real kings of Antarctica. Penguin chick. Penguin chick, get yourself a small gray lump of down with a short beak and large dark eyes. It's a newborn penguin. Dad and mom penguins take turns warming the baby on their paws. When the penguin is 2 months old, he will have real feathers. Chinstrap penguin. The chinstrap penguin is a bird that lives in Antarctica among ice and snow. They have belly torsos on short legs and small wings. Penguins live in large groups, warming up all together so as not to freeze. They deftly dive into icy water and catch fish and krill there. Snow leopard. The snow leopard is a large cat with a long fluffy tail that lives in the mountains of Central Asia. His coat is thick, grayish-white with brown spots. This helps to perfectly disguise against the background of stones and snow. The paws of the snow leopard are very wide, which prevents it from falling into snowdrifts. Polar bear. The polar bear is a large predator living in the far north. His fur is thick and snow white. It helps to sneak up on the prey against the background of snow and ice. The polar bear has sharp claws to fish in the ice hole and tear the dense skin of seals. He swims and dives perfectly using his oars. Polar wolf. The polar wolf is a subspecies of the gray wolf that lives in the Arctic. He has thick white wool and a compact physique. This helps to preserve heat in the harsh conditions of the far north. The paws of the polar wolf are covered with wool, so it moves easily in the snow. He needs sharp claws for hunting. Husky. Husky is a beautiful dog with a muzzle and a fluffy tail bent on the back. She has thick, lush hair, which can be white, black, red, or spotted. Husky is perfectly adapted to the cold climate of the Arctic. She has a warm fur coat and a compact physique to keep warm. Arctic fox. The Arctic fox is a small predator with fluffy white hair and a long muzzle. She lives in the northernmost regions of the Arctic. In winter, the wool of the polar fox becomes thick and snow-white, which helps it to disguise against the background of snow and ice. In summer, the color changes to gray-brown. Arctic hare. The Arctic hare is a small, fluffy animal that lives in the tundra and the polar islands. He has thick white hair in winter and gray-brown in summer. It helps to disguise yourself among snow and stones. The ears of the Arctic hare are short, and the paws are covered with thick wool, and do not fall into the snow. Reindeer. Reindeer is a large animal that lives in tundra and forest tundra. He has powerful legs with wide hooves covered with wool. It helps not to fall into the snow. Winter, reindeer fur is thick and warm, from white to gray-brown. In summer, the wool becomes shorter,